going to Barcelona. Right, here I am. I'm staying at a hostel with 10 other people. Look at these, let's get about people sleeping here. Oh god. So I got to the airport and this lady told me how to get a blue bus. So I got on this random blue bus and then I ended up in the city centre. So luckily I'm like a 5-minute walk away from this hostel. And now that I'm here, I've just put my stuff in my locker over there. This is my locker. I put my stuff in there. And now I'm going to go to the beach. It's just like a 25-minute walk away. Oh my god. It's in a pretty scary area, but we're doing it. Here we go. Adventures. Okay, so I just went and got a towel and they gave me like the smallest towel ever. But it normally costs €2, so she gave me it for free. So, you know, good start, good start. I'm gonna get murdered, aren't I? I can tell. Oh my. It's beautiful out today. Oh, it's nice. We're gonna walk to the beach. Let's go. 27-minute walk. This is nice. This is cool. Very beautiful around here. With my little camera. I don't know where to go. I can go to the beach, but I don't know where the beach is, so I'm just mindlessly walking. I'm pretty sure there's some sort of political thing going on there. And then there's just me, like, on my holiday, like, yeah! I'm gonna go get one of these, and Also, I've been told that I need to watch out for pickpockets, because apparently there's 1 million pickpockets in Barcelona. It's a lovely place, but there's 1 million thieves. Bit of a contradiction. Hey. Still walking to the beach, by the way, it's taking ages. If you're wondering who I came with, I came on my own.
That's what she said.
And it was pretty scary actually, but I'm here now and it's pretty cool. I'm just gonna go to loads of places, just get croissants, and play chess in my room. Yes, please. We managed to sit down. I'm in a random place. There's a lot of stuff on this menu that I don't know what it is. Cheers. There's some egg and there's some chips. Pretty outrageous stuff, to be fair. I mean, egg and chips. I don't know what any of these are, but I want that one there. Turkey's poop. It's a pretty good meal actually. They were really nice in there. Had a couple of beers, I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm gonna go back to my hostel. I'm gonna get murdered. Get ready for tonight, I guess. I don't know, see if there's anyone there. Hopefully there's people in the hostel that I can talk to. Otherwise I'll be sitting on my own for hours.
We're ready to go party. That's number one. Get some drinks, party.
Want to say anything?
We're going back to sleep.
You guys want to say anything?
But I just can't.
It's my camera.
Oh, you're doing the...
Are you vlogging?
Do you want to say anything?
I don't know.
For God's sake.
Late night, fam!
And even when the Moorish took over, there were different Islamic...
Yeah.
Oi!
Keep going, you're doing so
We're
well.
in Barcelona, don't you
For
know,
fuck's
Mike?
Blimey.
Blimey!
We don't talk like that!
That's so, did you fucking hear that?
You mean we don't all talk like Dick Van Dyke?
Yeah, move, man! Best
I get
club in the
subscribed. We're about to
world!
have a good fucking time. You know what I'm saying? Hey.
Move, the best club in the world. 30 minutes of the same song.
Hell yeah, 2 hours of the same song.
It's an experience.
After like
you know?
20 minutes, you're like, oh, fuck, I need to like see something.
The camera. For what? Just Pornhub.
OnlyFans.
Pornhub.
OnlyFans.
I don't do OnlyFans anymore.
Hey! Hey, beautiful.
We guys, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. I'm joking. I was like, what?
Like set up a perimeter, bro. It's like, you know,
It's raining.
Here, right here.
Gotta get some breakfast. These are my friends that I made. Canadian, Indian, Mexican.
That's what I was gonna say. Yeah.
Do you guys want to say anything to the vid?
Come to Barcelona.
Yeah? Why?
Huh?
Why?
Man, so many reasons, bro. You got culture, food especially for me. Tapas. What else? You got soccer,
All right.
football.
Cool.
Sorry. What do you want to say?
Come on, Cole. Canadian guy.
It's a great time.
Wow.
Stroll. Other foreigners can be dickheads, but the locals are friendly.
That's very true, isn't it?
A lot of beautiful people too.
A lot of beautiful people. Maybe too beautiful, actually.
Yeah.
What about you? What you got?
Stay here.
Hirsch?
I came here for the heat,
You came in for the right day, didn't you?
the senoritas, and the mamacitas.
And the men. End of.
You gotta translate this for me. It's in English, dude. Which one?
Yes. 170 for 3. All right. Yeah, 3 chocolates. It's pretty cool here. Hogwarts. Got tickets for the Sagrada Familia, which is something you're meant to do while you're here. I'm just chilling out in the hostel at the moment. Gonna have to do for a while. My feet are knackered. Transferring some files over to my phone from my cameras. Got some cool stuff with this camera. I'm really impressed by this camera. If you're wondering where all like the POV shots and stuff come from, it's come from that camera. Yes, enjoying the trip so far. It's been fun. Yeah, I don't know. Next clip. You guys! We got the Canadian guy, we got the Indian guy. Say something.
Say
Something.
Fun.
Fun. Go
Something
Canada
fun.
guy.
Hirsch is getting laid tonight. That's the main.
Hirsch?
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, who by? Who by?
I might not
Anyone.
mind.
Anyone or anything.
Standards have been eradicated.
Oh dude, yes.
You got so much froth in your beard.
Fuck off. At least I got a beard. Can you grow a beard?
Yeah. What do you think? What is this?
I don't know.
A little bit of stubble. A bit
Get
of
a bit
something.
close
Yeah.
up
Get
there,
really.
so
You gotta get really close to see it though.
Get close up
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Alright, just woke up. I had a fucking crazy night last night. Oh my goodness, Jesus Christ. I'm going to meet a friend from England who I was meant to meet at 9 AM and now it's 11 AM. So I'm a bit late. Yeah. Getting some lunch, chilling out. Very expensive here though. Fuck off, you beady-eyed little shits! Fuck off, you beady-eyed little shits! Just finished the tour. I didn't learn anything because I didn't have my headphones in because I'm not hungover and I don't really want to wear headphones with some random dude speaking into it really loud. And now my phone is dead, so I can't get back. So I had to go to the information help desk and the lady was really nice. She gave me a map. Yeah, and I'm just trying to get back to my hostel, so yeah. And then I'm just going to go to sleep for a bit and then, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let's do it. Let's go. I'm just gonna head in this direction here and just see if I can find something. I literally I have no idea where I'm going. My phone is dead. Live music though. My geography, honestly, I can't read this map at all.
This is like this.
It's a slight change of plan. This nice man is taking me to the...
Yeah. I'm taking my brother there. No, don't worry. We're gonna find the place. Right now.
Thank you very much. Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
man. Yeah, you see? I tell you. I'm right.
You are right. Yeah, we made it.
Yeah, bro. I tell you, you're gonna make it, man.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much.
One love, bro.
One love.
Thank you, man.
Good morning. So, it is 7:53 and I've got a half-day hike and tour of Montserrat Mountains, I think. I decided not to go out last night because I went out. Well, I did go out, but then I went to a bar, but the bar was closed. So I was like, all right, let's go back, and then I can actually get up tomorrow morning. I'm just walking to the tour destination now, which is 6 minutes away. Starts at 8, and I'm gonna be there at 8. Yeah, let's do it.
Oregon. Yeah. And they're walking with shorts and t-shirts. Yeah.
Oh, it'd be fun to have a barbecue up here, wouldn't it? Imagine having a barbecue here. Oh, beautiful.
Not bad. Wouldn't be bad.
School trip down there. Oh my. Hell yeah.
The dark side. She used to be in the dark side or the other side. So yeah, this is right behind us. We've got this main facade, which behind it has the basilica, which we'll be heading to in a moment. But what I kind of like to do when we walk around here is kind of we kind of piecing together a puzzle as we walk around. You may have noticed already. There's not just the basilica. There's a lot more cities around here.
Let's talk about solo travel. If you are considering going on a trip on your own and you're thinking you're scared, then you should be, because it is scary. But I am having a bloody amazing time. I've met so many people. The only thing about it is you have to be outgoing. You can't come, there's a couple of people in the hostel staying in my hostel, and they just sit there in silence and they go to bed at 11 o'clock. You can't come to Barcelona on your own and not experience stuff and go out. Anywhere you go, if you travel to Spain or you travel to anywhere in the world, Asia, you have to be out, you have to do stuff. You can't just sit inside. I mean, every single day I've done so much crap and I'm fucking exhausted. But it's all proving worth it when I see this stuff here. Beautiful. I'd recommend bringing a bag. I've had my passport in this bag the entire time, and yeah, it hasn't left my sight asleep with it. Another thing about solo travel, you have to be okay with being within your own company and having fun on your own, because a lot of the time you're just gonna be on your own, and it can get lonely, but you just have to be okay with it.
Past a little bit longer with those beers.
It is indeed.
You're like, I don't know.
Don't fall off the mountain.
I know, all because we were backing off so I could get a photo. Thank you. I could just stare at you all day, couldn't you?
Should have brought a pillow.
Let's boycott this trip and just stare all day.
We're not going back, Alan. We're not going back. This is dangerous, you know. This is dangerous. Very beautiful, though. Tasty. It's called the Cheese and Cheese Burger. It's got a lot of cheese in it. When you're in Barcelona on your own, you've got to go out. It's 10:30. I haven't had any drinks. And here we go. We're going to walk to the clubs. Let's do it. Hold it. Do you want to say anything to my video?
Have a great trip.
That's nice. Pressure. Go.
Don't get murdered.
Don't get murdered.